Hey guys, Brandon from RC Flyer here. We're gonna take the Grom Quake, Grom Mojave, and the Losi Mini-B. These are ramps I already had, but these are the new ramps by Proline. Set of 3 sets you back like between 60 and 70 bucks. Well worth it, guys. If you watched my video with the Grom Quake, these ramps are cool, lightweight, they stack. Let's start with the Grom. All right, guys, let's go. Oh yeah, this thing will do wheelies, full speed. Oh yeah. All right, guys. Woof. Oh. All right, let's do a backflip. Let's see if we can do a backflip. Oh, wasn't clean, but we got it. Full speed. Yeah, if you guys do, for Christmas, guys, if you're looking for your kids, this Grom Quake is awesome. Oh, try to do the front flip. And these ramps, guys, these ramps you should get. The one I just went over does not come with the set. Those are ones I just had. All right. Let's try hitting this ramp full force this way. Probably got to move that ramp out of the way. Again, I'm not getting full speed because this grass is a little long for these cars. Woo! Move that out of the way. Let's see what we can do with this thing. A little kicker jump. Oh yeah! So much fun, guys. Flip it. Yes! Nailed it. We'll not do a flip without doing that backflip kicker, but it's all right. Super fun with these things, guys. Yeah, buddy. You can even do it on this. If you take it slow, this is where you can get your backflip. I don't know about the other one, but super fun, guys. You can have a lot of fun, especially your kids. with these ramps, and this truck is awesome. It's 2S. Oh man, I probably could have done a backflip if I kept the throttle on. Let's try that again. Whoop, missed the ramp. All right. You do get a good battery life too. I'm gonna try to do a front flip. I'm not sure that it'll happen. Nope. What you do is you, in the air, immediately hit the brake, and then it'll stop all your inertia and it'll do a front flip. Let's try. See? Whoop. But it's not wanting to with this truck. Didn't think so. Full force. Let's go. Oh, there's a backflip. Let's try that again. That was pretty fun. Yeah. And on this kicker, go slow and then you hit it. Oh. Nope. Oh, right on his back. Again, I'll link in the description where you can get this truck. Again, if they're available, great Christmas present under 200 bucks. Yes. All right, guys, now the Arrma Grom Mojave 2 and 3 cell brushless. This thing is awesome. This thing is well worth the money. I'm going to be running just 2S today. Again, with these small tires, it probably won't do as well on the grass, but we'll try it. Good jump. I don't want to do it on the pavement, guys. I don't know if you've ever done RCs on the pavement with jumps, but it's not a good idea because it beats them up every time you crash on it. Whoa, like that. So landing on grass or dirt is better off for your RC cars. Woof! She just launches. Whoa! That was a good launch. Woo, yeah! All right, let's see what we got. Lands every time. Ah, hit the ramp quirky. Let's try hitting this side of the ramp. Launch is pretty good off that ramp. You're probably never gonna do a backflip off of this. Let's see. Yeah, no. Might be able to do a front flip. I'm not sure though. Oh, look at that. That was like a corkscrew. That I tried a front flip. We're gonna try a front flip. Let's see. Nope. Fail. Still get some good height though. Super fun, and if I was on dirt, would it even be more fun? So hopefully I can get it out to some dirt soon. But I didn't want to beat up my machines. So yeah. All right. Yeah, landed it. Hopefully I got that on camera for you guys. Try it again. It's kind of dumb. I might hit myself in the head, but we're gonna launch it. Ah, oh, missed the launch. Try it one more time. Hey, it landed over me. Hit my shoulder, but it still managed to wreak some havoc. And where I'm, if you guys notice, where I'm driving my cars right now is where I fly all my planes. So, grass was great this year. We got a lot of rain, so I can't complain with how well the airport landing strip stayed all year. All right, guys, that's it. The Grom Mojave by Arrma. Last but not least, guys, we'll do the Mini-B. Let's check it out. 2-wheel drive. I got paddle tires on because I did convert this to a bug. Baja Bug didn't like it, so I put it back to original, except for the tires for right now. All right, let's go. This is a brushless Mini-B, so it's fast. So we'll see how capable this is. I think I'm gonna be able to do a flip, guys. So let's see. Let's see. Oh, almost. Let's try on the bigger jump. Nice and slow. Ah! Need more speed, but we're definitely gonna make it. There we go. Oh yeah, very capable this. Yeah! Oh, these ramps are gonna be fun with this truck. Full send. Yes! A lot more potential with this truck. All right. Let's hit the little jump, see how it does. Nice. I'm gonna try a front flip. I think I could do a front flip. Nope. Landed it though. This thing's nice, guys. Yeah, she wants to flip. Full out, I'm probably gonna break it hitting this jump this way. Nice. Ah, darn. All right, let's try a flip. All day, guys, all day. All day with the flips. All right, let's launch. That's not launching. Going a little slow. All right, let's get some speed and launch this. Probably break it, but that's okay. Missed it. Do it again. Whoa! Full out with that. Didn't commit on the flip. Did not commit. Check if everything's okay. Everything's working. Nothing's broken yet. Still want to hit this thing full force for you guys. Let's see. Let's do it. Yes! Double! Oh, almost got the double. Try for the double, guys. Double backflip. Nope. One more. We got to get this double backflip. Nope, but that landed it. Yeah, buddy. Slow-mo, ready? All right. Woof! That was cool. All right. Going all out. Missed it and almost hit my ankles. Oh, are you kidding me? I know, they're all over the place.
They're not too bad out here, are they?
No. I'm not sure why they don't come out here, but they're definitely...
I guess there's
no grubs?
I guess there's no grubs out here. Hard to understand why there wouldn't be though.
Do you have a problem on yours?
Huh?
Do you have a problem on yours?
On my what?
Moles?
Oh, heck yeah. They're in my front yard. I caught one this week.
Yeah, I gotta set up the trap that you gave me again.
I left him laying out there in the yard, hoping maybe it might discourage the others, but I don't
Or a free meal for the hawk?
Huh?
Free meal for the hawk?
Well, I thought it might be, but...
Or the owl. We have an owl. I don't know if
Yeah,
you've seen the owl.
a couple.
They're cool.
They're big.
They are big.